Oh yay, free parking. That's good news. Keep in mind I am in California and it's super hard to find parking here. I made it to the sunflower fields here in Carlsbad, California. I made my reservations online and you should too if you're planning to visit. I know nothing more about this place, so let's go and learn together. This way. The waiting game. I'm like 30 minutes early, which is weird because I'm always late for everything. There's a sign right there. You pick your own blueberries, but they're only open until 5 p.m. So it is gonna be 4 when I start. So that's the first thing we're doing. We're gonna run to the blueberries because I want some blueberries. So they're open every day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. from March 1st to May 14th. Today is May 19th, so I'm lucky they stayed open an extra week for some reason this year. They also do a bunch of activities and events. And here is the calendar for 2023. This one caught my attention. Where is it? That one. But I'm gonna have to wait until next year because I don't think I'm able to do it this year. It is 10 minutes before 4. Should I give it a try and see if they let me in? I don't know how strict they are about that, but I'm gonna give it a try. Let's go. Ooh, look at this. They're giving me a sample.
Sample blueberry. Ventura, the sweetest ones we have. Delicious.
I cannot wait. So you told me you advised me to take the tractor down there?
I do. I would recommend the tractor. It's a long walk. Get off, pick your blueberries, get back on another tractor coming back.
Awesome. Thank you so
Have
much.
fun. Cheers.
Thank you. Oh my God, we are off to a good start. I made a new friend. Let's try this blueberry. Oh yes. Oh yes, I'm definitely getting some. Sharon, the lady at the entrance, so sweet. Oh my goodness. Let's get started on this tour. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. So pretty. They look like paper flowers. I do have the shiny object syndrome, so I get distracted very easy. I need to stay on track because if not, I'm not gonna be able to do everything I want to do. So let's go look for the tractor. Ooh, smells so good. Wow, this is so beautiful too. You guys, the smell here is unbelievable. So beautiful. And that is the tractor that we are riding to take us to the blueberries. I just paid for my ticket. It is $8 and you can pay with your credit card. You don't need to bring cash. Oh my God, you guys, I got it all to myself. Look at this, for $8, I got a whole ride to myself. How crazy is this? Bye. Thank you. Fill it up with blueberries. I already got the training. What do I need to look for to get good blueberries? So let's go look for them. They told me to look for blueberries that are blue all over and they're firm and plump. I don't know, this one's look a little not ready. Let's go this way. This one looks good. What do you guys think? Yes. I want another one. I don't know if I'm supposed to be eating them here. I'm never gonna finish filling up my container if I keep eating them, so let's get to work. there's a lot of them here. Look at this. So they said that they have that little white powder and you're not supposed to wash it off. It's completely normal and safe. Well, that took longer than expected due to the fact that I was eating most of them. But it's done. I got my blueberries. I have them for tomorrow. I can do my little smoothie, blueberry smoothie. That's gonna be yummy. I've never seen so many of them at the same time. This is freaking insane. Beautiful. Well, this was really a magical experience. Oh my goodness, I've never seen so many flowers all at once. It was so cool. But unfortunately, this was the last week that they're doing it this year. So if you want to see this, you're gonna have to wait until next year. You need to mark your calendars for 2024, something you must do if you are in the San Diego area. All right, if you liked the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because I have more places to go and I want you to tag along with me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.